Welcome to the Applications Platform training videos from Codeless Platforms. Here are the objectives and approximate running time for this video. In the previous video, we created confirm order date and ship date triggers on the order object. In this video, we will continue our training by creating workflow statuses. In the menu bar, select the Workflow Statuses option. Locate an entry for Created Status. Now select the Edit link. In the Order Edit Workflow Status page, change the following details. OK, now click Save. In the menu bar, select the Workflow Statuses option. Click the New Workflow Status button and, in the Order New Workflow Status page, enter the following details. Now click the Save and New button. OK, now enter the following. Then click the Save and New button. Again, input these details. And click the Save and New button. Input the following for the shipped status. And click Save and New. OK, now enter the following. Finally, click the Save button. In the menu bar on the Object Order page, select the Workflow Statuses option. Locate the In Process status and select Edit. Use the arrows to change selected actions to Confirm. Then click Save. In the menu bar, click Workflow Statuses. Locate Confirmed and click the Edit link. Use the arrow buttons to change the following. Click Save. In the menu bar, click Workflow Statuses. Locate Picked and click the Edit link, and we will use the arrows to change the selected actions. Click Save. In the menu bar, click Workflow Statuses. Locate Backorder and click the Edit link. Use the arrow buttons to change the following. And then click Save. In the menu bar on the Object Order page, select the Workflow Actions. Locate the entry for Confirm Status and select the Edit link. Use the arrow buttons to change the following. Leave the rest as default and click the Save button. In the menu bar, select the Workflow Actions. Locate the entry for Ship and select the Edit link. Use the arrow buttons to change the following. Leave the rest as default and click the Save button. OK, let's return to the Classic Guitars main page. We will now test the Workflow Status functionality. Create a new order and enter some test data. Do not manually enter data for order date, ship date, or workflow status, as we want to test the workflow functionality. After creating a new order, select the order name link. Notice the workflow status value, which should be in process, and the available workflow actions option, which should be confirm. Select the Confirm Workflow Action option, enter a comment, and then click the Save button. The order page will redisplay. Note the order date field has updated with today's date. The workflow status has changed to confirmed, and the available workflow actions options have updated to Pick, Backorder, and Cancel. Select the Pick Workflow option. In the Confirm Status Change page, enter a comment and click the Save button. Note that the workflow status has changed to Picked, and the available workflow actions options have updated to Ship and Cancel. Select the Ship option. Now enter a comment and click the Save button. OK, we can now see the ship date value has been updated, workflow status has changed to shipped, and there are no more workflow actions options available. If previously configured, a shipping notification email will be sent to the customer and the order creator. And that's it for this video. We have created workflow status functionality on the order object. This concludes exercise 4. We will begin exercise 5 by creating reports, charts, and gauges on the order object. Thanks for watching.